Welcome to this quick guide on enabling sounds for incoming WhatsApp calls on the PC app with the latest update. If you've ever missed a call because your computer was silent, this video is for you. Let's walk through the steps so you'll hear every ring, no matter where you are in Windows. First, open the WhatsApp application on your PC. Once it's up and ready, look to the left side of the screen where you'll find a vertical menu. At the very top of that menu, you'll see a gear icon. This little setting symbol is your gateway to customizing how WhatsApp behaves on your computer. Click it to dive into the options. Inside the settings area, you'll find a section labeled Notifications. This is where WhatsApp groups all of its alert options, including sounds, vibration, and banners. Click on Notifications to enter a dedicated page for sound and alert preferences. You'll know you're in the right place when you can see different toggles and drop-downs related to how you're notified of messages and calls. Now, look for the option that says Incoming Calls. This setting specifically controls the audio for incoming voice and video calls. Turn on or enable this option so that WhatsApp will play a sound when someone calls you. If you like, you can explore additional preferences on this page, such as choosing a specific notification sound or adjusting whether you want a banner alert alongside the sound. Make sure the toggle is switched to the on position. After you've enabled incoming calls, it's a good idea to test the feature. Have a colleague or friend place a test call to your WhatsApp on PC, or you can simulate by asking someone to ring you once. Listen for the notification sound and ensure it's audible and not muted by your system volume or focus assist modes. If the sound isn't coming through, double check your computer's overall volume and the app's sound settings. Sometimes Windows or your audio driver can override app-specific preferences, so configuring both levels ensures consistent results. If you encounter any issues, a quick restart of WhatsApp can help, followed by another test call. Ensuring your PC's master volume is at an audible level and that WhatsApp isn't muted will keep you from missing future calls.